Welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about one of my absolute favorite breakfast meal prep items using the superfood flaxseed. If you don't know a lot about flaxseed, please check out my video where I go over the benefits of flaxseed, the 10 most major known benefits of flaxseed. It's really been gaining a lot of popularity and visibility, and it's one of the most economical and accessible superfoods out there right now today. So we're going to get into these flaxseed muffins, so come along with me. First, we're going to start with our all-purpose flour, our whole grain oat flour. So that's going to help this be a little bit more gluten-friendly, not gluten-free, but gluten-friendly. And our flaxseed, fresh ground flaxseed. All right, now let me get these out of the way. Noisy, noisy, I know. All right, now our baking powder and our baking soda goes in, and our cinnamon. I love this recipe, you guys, because it makes such good use of the superfood flaxseed. It's so wonderful as a meal prep, and we're all looking for more and more of those home remedies, those old-timey things that we're finding out that our great-grandparents, they knew a little bit more than what we realized they knew, and not because they knew more than we did maybe, but because that's what they had available to them, and so that's what they used. And I love finding out, I love finding out that some of these things that we've been using for generations, there's a real reason to use them. Okay, oh, forgot the salt. And guys, don't forget, the listing of all those ingredients will be in the description box below. All right, now into our dry ingredients is going to go our milk and our egg. And you guys, this is so easy. I love this recipe. You just stir it right up in a bowl. Make a head. And then out of the fridge they come in their little Ziploc bags or whatever, and into the lunch totes and out the door. Also, you realize I'm using honey and molasses. No, none of that devil white sugar. I know so many of us are getting away from using the white sugar right now and finding out more and more that it's just really not good for us. So this is, not only does it have the flaxseed in it, right, which we're going to talk about more of that in that other video, but I will tell you that the flaxseed lowers your cholesterol, your bad cholesterol, and raises your good cholesterol. I know a lot of us don't even realize we have good cholesterol, but it lowers your bad cholesterol, raises your good cholesterol. It's so high in fiber that it's good for your digestive tract and digestive health. And those are just two. Those are just two, guys, of all of those things that flaxseed is good for. Okay, now what you saw me adding to my dry ingredients again was honey, molasses, milk, a little bit of oil, and 1 egg, and the vanilla. And it just gets stirred up in a bowl. Just like that. Make sure everything's incorporated. But you don't want to beat it to death. So on this recipe, guys, it's so easy. You see I'm using a bowl and a spoon. There's no need to drag out the mixer for this one. It's very, very easy. Okay, now I like to do my muffin tin with the little paper liners. You don't have to. You can just spray it with a little bit of spray of cooking oil. But I like to have them in the wrappers because that way they're so nice when they go in the Ziploc bag and from the fridge to the lunch tote and off to wherever you're going. Already done. There we go. We're going to continue to fill these muffin tins. So what we're gonna do now, I've got my flaxseed muffins set aside, right? But I like apple in my flaxseed muffins. Not everybody in the family does. So what I've done is I've reserved some of the batter and my fresh chopped apples with the peeling still on. So I'm adding fresh apple. I'm adding all of that, all of the nutritional benefits from the fresh apple plus that fiber from the peeling. And that's going to go into the muffins. All right, guys, our muffins are ready for the 350 oven for about 15 to 18 minutes till they're just beginning to turn golden brown. Our flaxseed muffins are done. We've got both our fresh apple ones and the plain. And these are ready to go. They're cooled down now, so these are ready to go in our little sandwich size zippy bags and into the fridge in a container. And then when it's time to go out the door, I just pull one out of the fridge. It's already in a zipper bag with my thermos of whatever, tea. I do tea. You probably do coffee, whatever. And you got it. It's breakfast on the go. You're done, right? Or you can put it in your little container, in your bag, in your container, and your meal prep is done. And guys, these smell so good. Look at that. Oh my goodness sakes. Ah, high in fiber and all those other good things. Oh, that's so good. And guys, don't forget to check out my video on the 10 most known benefits of flaxseed. It's a superfood that you really need to incorporate in your life. It's so, so good for you. Well, I hope that you try these. I hope that you love them. And let me know how they turned out for you. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.